All companies hate tax, but it's a way for small businesses to save so much money. Tax accountants initially seem so expensive, which puts a lot of people off, and the HMRC side is very hard to navigate and to put it into context of how much you could actually save. So introducing Tax Optimiser. So this is an integration with QuickBooks as an example. So I'm going to click Try QuickBooks, and we're going to find a tax strategy in just 7 simple clicks. So we're going to select a processing date, and this just works out the HMRC rates, etc., and a company industry. We hit Start. Now this is pulling the data out of QuickBooks, so it's live data. And we can see it's brought in here now, so it's brought in the sales invoice amount, the VAT total, the purchase VAT, and the purchase VAT over 2k, and I've hard-coded some R&D expenditure in there. So this system doesn't just take into account the company tax, it's the employee or the director to see how much we can start balancing things to, reduce corporation tax by increasing salaries and things like that. Then you've got tax rates and bandwidths, which you could change if you knew the Chancellor was going to change something. So then we hit Submit, and straight away within seconds it brings back lots of data. So we're going to start off here with a limited company, and we can see the company savings is 0 because that's our baseline. The R&D tax credit, we can save £17,000. The flat HMRC, we save £10,000. Sole trader, we're actually worse off at minus 22,000, and flat rate and R&D. So these schemes can be strung together, and obviously you make the largest saving there. For someone who wants to take this information to their accountant, they can click Print, and then it will generate a report. So this is comparing sole trader and limited company. Close that. For instance, there's little links that you can click through to help you. So for instance, if your income tax is very high, you can click through and it will talk about the SEIS scheme, the pros and cons. Now, often with all these tax things, you're not actually going to implement them yourselves. You're going to want to speak to companies who are specialists. So you've got a list of companies around the side here that are able to help you implement these schemes.